bitch bigger. That's the pipe. It's new whip, right around it. I can see why all these
Say that again.
bust down, 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 bitch. Take a little sip.
Wait. Alright.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm so excited because I'm finally gonna be playing with, hold on, I had to grab him, like, with the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I did get this the same exact day that it came out, bitch. I ran to that Morphe store like no other. I was ready to fucking pop any bitch that was standing in my way, and I was calling, all right? I was even stalking my damn Morphe store, making sure that they had this bitch in stock, okay? For me to wait a whole 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay? But anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you my review as well as how I got this cute look with the new Jawbreaker palette. And I know in a few videos back I did tell you guys that I did cop the new concealer as well as the setting powder. So I'm going to be playing with that today in the video. And I also did get a highlighter from the Jawbreaker collection as well. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So starting off this tutorial, let's just pray that my family could, you know, shut the fuck up today, because today I decided that we're gonna be doing a talk through. You guys were saying that my videos lately have been way too quick and way too fast, and you know, y'all want me to talk, you know, which is weird because now I have no music, I have no AC, but let's get it though. Today we're gonna be using the I'm so excited, yo. Time out, because my hair don't even look cute. I'm so excited to be playing with this today because it's the motherfucking Jawbreaker palette. Like, what bitch isn't? I also picked up one of the highlighters. I picked up Diamond Wet. I like the name of that, Diamond Wet. So this is what I got from the collection, but like a month ago, I don't know, when these shits first came out, I also picked up the concealer and the setting powder, and I never got to use them. So I decided today we're just gonna do a Jeffree Star moment, okay? We're gonna do all of the new Jeffree Star shit, and we're gonna review it right here, bitch, right now in my beauty room. So let's get it poppin'. This is what the packaging is giving. She's real cute. She looks like a Jawbreaker, like an actual Jawbreaker candy, like genius. Grand reveal. Oh fuck, it's backwards. This is the grand reveal. Look at this. Ooh, girl. Let's talk about the fact that this is like one of his first rainbow palettes. Look at this. Are we all gagging right now? First of all, I don't know what eye look we're doing today. I'm just gonna go with wherever the brush is finna take me. But these little pastel colors right there, that's like what we're giving right now. Right? Like, I really like that. I like that. I like that a lot. I don't know like that. Oh no. I got it so cute. Alright. It's time to run game. For this part, I really want to do it like nowhere. But we're not gonna do it. Try to do like the same blown out smoky eye that I did that you guys love, like with my neon green look. So, but I'm gonna try to do that with these three colors. So first I'm gonna take the shade Cute, which is this pastel like green blue right here, and I'm just gonna pack that into my inner corner. Okay, so the shades do have some fallout, not even gonna front, but it's nothing. Okay, I just gave myself a whole fucking green eye. Wow. I'm gonna be taking, this is a BH number 8 brush. It's from their rose gold brush collection. Ooh, do y'all see what the fuck that I just did? So I'm gonna be packing on the colors first, and then I'm gonna go in and blend them out. So right now we're just gonna pop on some placement for right now, and so far so good. I'm noticing as I blend it out, you see that patchiness right there? I don't like that. I'm gonna pack on the shade Fuck. This neon coral. This camera is not doing it any justice, but this color right here is fucking popping. Pack passing that on to my brush. Fuck, this palette is heavy. My hand hurts holding this damn palette. Shit. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, looking real retro. It's looking a little crazy right now, but it's gonna come together. I have faith. Honestly, all of my looks be looking crazy at first. I'll be looking like, what the fuck am I doing? But then at the end, I'll be like, she's a fucking pro. I'm gonna pack on the shade Gumdrop, which is that pastel purple shade. This one right here. This is what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Out of the three, Gumdrop. Sis, let's talk, cause Gumdrop is it. Of course, Jeffree Star will give us pastel neons. I'm just going to start blending the colors out into the crease so that way it looks blended and not crazy like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking up the same exact shades and pretty much doing the same exact shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And afterwards, I'm gonna be also highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner with probably like a white shimmer. And then I'm just gonna line my lash line with probably some black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna throw on my lashes, bitch, and I'll be right back. You guys, these lashes are so dramatic, but I love it. Like, now I'm gonna move on to my face really quickly. So for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, just because I want to do this quick because I really want to see what the Jeffree stuff is giving. By the way, you guys, this foundation is in the shade Nude. I do have the liquid one, but I just like the stick one a lot better. The liquid one is nice too, no shade. But I just feel like this one is just it for right now. Let me tap over this real quick. Concealer. I did get the shade C14. I hope that this is the right shade. Packaging, bitch, she is big. This is such like a luxury looking concealer. One thing that I love about Jeffree Star Cosmetics is that he really does pay attention to detail. Like, high-end products, bitch, be mad expensive, but I love spending my money on his products because I feel like it's always worth it, just with packaging alone. And of course, his formula is amazing. So this is what the doe foot applicator is looking like. It does have like a little hole, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, which does store a lot of product because the wand is a little bit small. Ooh, this is bright, and this is yellow as fuck. Ooh. Okay, this is really bright. That actually looks really nice. When you blend it out, it's not as like yellow as it looks like right there. This shit looks like a color correcting concealer. Ooh, this looks really good. Bitch! As full coverage as like Shape Tape or anything like that, I would say that this is more medium coverage, but it does have like a nice thin consistency, which I really, really like. It's like thin and thick at the same time. Now let's go in and try the setting powder. I got this in the shade Topaz. Now at first I was a little scared because the powder does look dark. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Again, nailed it. Like a chrome pink setting powder. Like fire. It is pretty small. Like compared to like my normal setting powders, like girl. It is a little small. This is what I was talking about. When you open it, you guys see how dark that powder looks. Let me zoom in so that way you guys can see. So like, look at how dark that is, okay, in the pan. But when I swatch it on my hand, look at how light it looks when you swatch it on the hand. Like, it doesn't look as dark as you think in the powder, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys can use this as a reference if you are gonna go pick up this powder. In the back of the cap, and I am gonna take this on a Morphe M438 brush. And I do not like to bake because I have dry skin, so I just like to use it to set. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see what that just did, but remember this was nice and bright. Definitely this setting powder does have a little bit of color to it, so yeah. It did kind of like tone down my under eye, which I don't know how I feel about that because I kind of liked it. I kind of liked the fact that it was brighter, and now it just took away like the whole highlighted effect that I had going on. So I am gonna use this to set my face though. Ooh, and it smells so good. So of course my mic had to fuck up, but anyway, I'm just gonna voice over this really quickly. I am taking my Fenty powder just to heavily bake so I could re-highlight my under eye, because the Jeffree powder did darken it a little bit and I wasn't feeling that. I'm also gonna run some eyeshadow on my lower lash line to tie in this whole eye look. But yeah, let's get back to the voiceover. Just went ahead and threw on some bronzer really quickly because I'm like so fiended out to go ahead and try this highlight. So this is Diamond Wet. I love the neon. I am gonna be keeping this unicorn because neon green is my favorite color. And can we talk about this? Like, look at this. Ooh, do you guys see how like beautiful this is? I am gonna, y'all see that? Oh, I love this. I love the fact that it gives you that wet look. Like, it definitely does that. There definitely is a lot of glitter in this. Oh, wow. But it's really pretty. Okay, let's get this other shoulder. Y'all see this right now? A little bit on my boobs. We're going. Like that. Ooh, we're giving full effect now. I like the highlighter a lot, like I'm gassed. So I am going to be doing my lips now. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with my Kylie lip pencil that came with my Valentine's Day collection. So I am going to top it off with London. Ooh, yes. Now to set the face, I am going to be taking my Anastasia Dewy set because we did use a lot of powder. So overall, this is the finished look using the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, as well as the concealer and the setting powder, and I even used the highlight. So overall, I'm going to give you guys like a breakdown of everything. Starting off with the palette, I think the palette is absolutely stunning. As far as packaging, amazing. The shade range is amazing. You get a lot of shade colors, and I'm pretty sure that every time you back this palette out, you're gonna create something magical and amazing. So that's why I really like this palette. It definitely does push your artistry. So I say it's a go for the palette. If you don't have it, definitely cop it. As well as the concealer and the setting powder. This shit is like legit really popping. Like, I really like that the setting powder, like my face right now looks flawless. I told you guys in the video that I did actually use this to set my entire face. She's really fucking snatched. As well as the concealer, I really love the formula. My eyes do not look dry and cracky. I'm about to go to the movies right now, by the way, so, but I think she's really like locked in place. As far as the highlighter, it is one of their Supreme Frostes, and their Supreme Frost highlighters usually do have that chunky glitter type consistency. He does have another highlighter formula if you guys don't like the glitter, but me, bitch, I'm all about extra. So I really liked the highlighter as well. Like, I love that wet effect that it's giving on the skin. I even dragged it and put it on my body, bitch, because that's how much I loved it. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this tutorial. I really liked it the way that the eyes came out. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Definitely in my next video, my nails will be done. So yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next, and thumbs up this video if you did enjoy this tutorial though, because she's looking real cute. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.